Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Rajesh Biogenesis Chemistry Academy, Hyderabad, Telangana State. So this is the most important video where you can expect more number of questions in behalf of CSR as well as GATE examination, even for DL as well as JL, and most and important area to ask questions. So definitely 100% you can get more marks, and this is the most important aspect for coupling reactions, that is Heck reaction. So what is a Heck reaction? So Heck reaction is a cross coupling reaction. It is a cross coupling reaction. It is expected between organohalides as well as a activated olefin. So we are taking a organohalide as well as activated olefin. It is catalyzed in presence of palladium 0, okay, and which will be reacts in a base, and that will give a CC coupling product. Okay. So here we are taking a organohalide. See the reaction. Don't forget, it is the most important area. See, I am taking a organohalide. Organohalide is going to react with a, okay, palladium 0 catalyst. Now it is carried in presence of a base, and here we are taking a activated olefin like this. Okay, and finally what happens, see here we are going to get CC coupling product. It is a CC coupling product, and the most important thing is this reaction got Nobel Prize in 2010, which is shared with Suzuki as well as Negishi reaction. Okay, one of the most important CC reaction, and here we are taking a Z. Here activated olefin should be required. This olefin may have electron withdrawing groups or donating group. So I am taking an olefin. Okay, so this Z may be any kind. Z may be a donor. Okay, so you may take a hydroxy group, alkoxy group, and here we can take even amine and alkyl amine, etc. Okay, at the same way we can take Z is equal to any withdrawing group surrounded around double bond. Okay, so that may be a nitro, cyano, or else it may be aldehyde, ketone, etc. You can take any kind of groups over here, but definitely based on this group only your product will be changes. Okay, so some examples of olefins which we are going to use here. Now see, this is unsaturated, and here unsaturated double bond, now unsaturated double bond with withdrawing group. Now you need to remember which is a carbanion and which is a carbocation involved in this activated olefin. So this is a carbanion and this is carbocation. So for all this you need to be remember like this. This is anion, this is cation, anion, cation. Regularly you need to represent like this. And this is a case where double bond is connected with a withdrawing group. Now I am taking a double bond which is connected to a donor. See, here all are ring activating groups. Okay, so this is OCH3. Next, even we can take a amine group here. So these all are ring activating groups. So they are withdrawing electrons. Now they are completely donating electrons. So finally we can say this is carbanion, this is carbocation. See the difference. This is carbocation, carbanion. Now it is carbanion and this is carbocation. And finally you will see the reaction, actual representation of this reaction. See, I am taking any alkyl halide, you may take aryl, etc. Next here, now it is going to react with a activated olefin in presence of palladium 0 having two ligands. Now here I am using a base. Okay, finally see here, remove this halogen and finally remove one of the hydrogen, and see finally there is a trans olefin is a resultant answer. Okay, so this is a new CC product between this alkyl and this particular group. Okay, so here R is nothing but you can take any donor or withdrawer, so that's why I would like to write that is in the form of a Z. Now in this reaction mechanism is very important one, and if you observe the key points in this case is this is oxidative addition. First step is oxidative addition around palladium. Now second step is, okay, there is a elimination reaction is going to be takes place before that. Okay, so that is called insertion reaction. See, insertion of activated olefin. This olefin is going to be inserted on palladium catalyst. Now this insertion is responsible to give a syn addition. This is key step in CSR exam. Syn addition, this point they are asking in exam. You focus on this particular area. Okay, then followed by beta elimination. Okay, so this beta elimination is definitely a hydride ion elimination like this. So these are the general features which you can observe in Heck reaction. Oxidative addition, insertion of double bond, then that will coordinate it to palladium catalyst, then syn elimination, Okay, that syn elimination nothing but palladium and organic part is going to be added on olefin in a syn direction. This point is most important. Stereochemical reactions you may expect in CSL. Now beta elimination in the form of a hydrate ion. This is also most important one. So finally what happens? You will get a trans olefin mostly in this one. Okay, due to steric crowding which is suffers for cis olefin. So mostly you will expect a trans olefin. Now see the mechanism. You can understand by watching the mechanism. You can easily predict the answer, and easiest questions you can expect in examinations. Okay, only thing is mechanism is most important one. Don't forget to write mechanism while predicting the answer. I will show you in shortcut also, you can easily understand. Okay, so first I am taking palladium 0 which having 2 ligands. Now I am taking an organohalide, so this is called oxidative addition. Now what happens? Around palladium 2 ligands are going to be trans to each other. This is organic part and this is X. Now next step is here the activated olefin Z is attached on this olefin. Now this will be coordinated to palladium. This is called insertion of olefin. Now what happens? This is L, next here also L, this is R. Now I am writing X. Now this double bond is inserted over here. This is called insertion reaction like this. So later on what happens? See, there is a syn addition. So palladium and this alkyl part around this olefin will take say syn addition here. This is a syn addition. So suppose if it is a donor or withdrawer, that may be secondary. Now palladium part will be added here. Okay. So you can write this organic part will be added here, and this activated olefin which is coordinated, whichever is carbanion like this, whichever is carbanion, that will be introduced over here. Okay. And finally what happens? See, here this is palladium. This is L and this is L and this is X. Now this will be coordinated to Z here. So I would like to write like this. This is attaches to this one. Okay. Now this is completely connected to Z. Now here this carbon is connected by R. Okay. And finally this is most important one. Here you may expect a beta elimination over here. So beta elimination means this is alpha and this is beta, and here one hydrogen atom is present. This will migrate. Okay, and here this hydrogen will be removed here. So you can write this sigma bond interaction here now. See, this bond will be migrate here, this will be eliminated out. And finally what is resultant answer? Here you may expect a Z here. Now observe carefully, this olefin carbon attachment here, this organic part addition will take place syn. So that's why it is called syn addition around this olefin. Now see, this carbon is attacking on here, so means it is a carbanion. Okay, it is carbanion means definitely see here, this carbon is carbanion, this carbon is carbocation. So this is inserting, and here organic part will be inserted. So this carbanion will attack on palladium, this carbocation will take this organic part. Finally initially you will expect syn addition, but finally see, due to steric strain that will result to give a E olefin. That is a major product here. Okay. Now key aspect in this reaction is syn elimination. Once if you know syn elimination properly, and your answer will be over. Okay. Now listen. Here I will give one example which will predict the answer. See, this is palladium. Now here I am taking 2 ligands here. This is one organic part, that is methyl, and here I am taking a double bond which is attaches to withdrawing group. Okay. So here there is a X is present. Now this is coordinated over here. Now already given some selective groups how they show carbanion as well as carbocation. This is a carbanion, this is carbocation. Always carbanion should be introduced to palladium. Okay. So this will be attached over here and this part will be added here. So finally what kind of insertion we are going to expect? Now 2 ligands are present here, this is X. Now this will be connected over here now. Okay, this carbon, and here this is nitro. Why? Because carbanion will attach here. Next is a single bond. Next this is connected by methyl group like this. This is the important step in this one. So this carbanion will attaches to palladium, this becomes alpha, and this carbon, there is a hydrogen atom is present. Now finally this bond will migrate and this will be eliminated out. This is called beta hydrogen elimination. Okay, so what is your final answer? Final answer is CH3 carbon carbon double bond, and here one more, that is nitro. That is the answer. Okay, same way if I take a donor, see this is palladium, 2 ligands I am taking, ligand ligand, and this is CH3, this is X. Now double bond is coordinated, and here I am taking a donor. Now if this donor increase electron density on this double bond around here, this is carbanion, this is carbocation. Now this carbanion will attack here, this organic part will attach over here. Okay. So once if it is exist, now two ligands are surrounded over here, next here followed by this is X. Now this is connected to this one, okay, that is CH2. Next this is single bond and here methyl group is present, next here OCH3, that is the answer. And finally what happens, this is alpha and this is beta. Okay, so this bond will migrate here, this beta is eliminated in the form of hydrogen, and finally your answer is this. This is OCH3 and finally OCH3. So finally you need to know what kind of olefin we used in Heck reaction. Okay, so in Heck reaction if any withdrawing group is present on any olefin, we need to substitute the organic part of argon halide, that is away from nitro group. See, this is away from nitro group. See here, when withdrawing group is present, donor should be away. Okay, when donating group is present, that organic part should be closer to donating group. So this is donor closer, if it is withdrawer away from withdrawing group. This point you need to remember. Okay, so you need to know whether it is a donating group or withdrawing group, only that point. And one more is syn elimination and insertion of double bond, and finally you may expect a syn product here. And these points are not applicable for intramolecular. In intramolecular always you may expect a 5-membered ring as a major product. I will give an example, just go through it. Okay, you can enjoy this concept very easily if you know these points here. See, this is organohalide, you may take chlorine, bromine, triplet, etc. Okay, now I am taking a activated olefin. See, this is the molecule. Now I am taking palladium taken 4 times in presence of NaOET. So base we are using in order to accelerate the reaction. There is no specific importance of base in this one. Now concentrate over here. This is a olefin which carry withdrawing group. Okay, so here between these two, which is a carbanion, this one is carbanion and this is carbocation. This should be attached to palladium. Okay, this should be attached to palladium, and on this carbon break and this organic part will be added here. So can I write like this? This is pH and this becomes CH double bond, and here it is CH, then finally C double bond OH. One hydrogen is removed here, concentrate here. One hydrogen is removed, which means it is a beta carbon, and this is the carbon which attaches to palladium. That is the answer. Okay, you may take any kind of organohalide here. See, I am taking benzyl bromide. So this is double bond, and here I am writing OCH3. Now it is a donor. Okay, so palladium triphenyl phosphine taken 4 times NaOET. Okay, now concentrate here, remove this halogen. Okay, now it is a activator, olefin activator. So this is a carbanion, this is carbocation. Always carbanion attaches to palladium. Always carbanion attaches to palladium. Okay, double bond will be as usual. If it is attached to palladium, here we need to remove one hydrogen. So remove that hydrogen, and where we need to introduce that benzyl group. Benzyl group is simply inserted over here. Okay, that is the answer. So remember, if any withdrawing group is present, substitution should be away from substituted carbon. If any donating group is present, substitution should be added on substituted carbon. Only these 2 points are sufficient for CSR exam. And not only for this, even for GATE examination, JL and DL, for all kinds of examination, this is the most important point. If you know this one, then your answer becomes very easy. Okay, that's it. And if they given different halogens, follow less electronegative halogen. Means iodine, bromine, if it is present, give priority for iodine. Break that iodine part and you should insert the answer. Okay, so these are the CSR questions which are asked in exam that we will discuss right now. Okay, see here. See, here I am giving a heterocyclic ring. Now this is hydrogen. Now here bromine and chlorine is given. Okay. Now here I given a C double bond O CH3. One alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl is given. This is palladium diacetate in presence of PPS3. Itself it is acts as a coordinator as well as a base. Now that will give your answer A. Now see here one more I am giving. This is alcohol, allyl alcohol. So same palladium diacetate taken in terms of PPS3. So what is your answer? B. Now we need to know, see, it is a withdrawing group, right? It is a carbocation and this is a carbanion. So this will be carbanion, it will be added on bromine. Why? Because here less electronegative, bromine will be removed here. Okay. So if bromine is removed, chlorine will be as usual at A. so chlorine is as usual. Now here we need to write double bond. Now this carbon is attached here, and see, you should write this double bond here now. Okay, this is carbanion which is attached to palladium, and on this carbon this group is attached. Okay, so internal carbon there is a C double bond O CH3 like this. Why? Because always carbanion attaches to palladium, carbocation attaches to organic part. So this organic part attaches to beta position, and see here one hydrogen is removed. That is the answer. And go through this one. Here I given a allyl alcohol that I will write clearly. This is allyl alcohol. So what is the role of these two? So this is carbocation and this is carbanion. Why? Because here hydroxy group is a electron withdrawing group. Okay. So where we need to add this negative ion. Negative ion attaches to palladium. Okay. So here finally, here I am writing hydrogen. Now this part will be as usual. This is C double bond O CH3. Now this chlorine is removed, and finally see, this is attaches to palladium. This is attaches to organic part. So here you should write like this. This and this are over, and finally see, there is a allyl alcohol formation will take place. Always there is a CC coupling between this carbon as well as organic part, this one. Suppose whichever is carbanion, that carbanion attaches to palladium, other part will be get attaches to organic part. Okay, finally syn elimination is going to be expected. So this is asked in CSR examination. Next, one more question is there, which is most important one, which is a intramolecular Heck reaction. Okay, so they ask which among the following is a major product in this one. So here there is a cyanide ion is given. Now there is a double bond, and here this is iodine and this is methyl. And here they given palladium diestate. Palladium diestate they given. Okay, so in presence of PPS3 silver carbonate they given, and your final answer A. What is a major product involved in this question? So this is 2016 CSR examination question, very important one. When intramolecular is given, be careful. Intramolecular 5-membered is major. Okay, so why? Because due to steric factor, as compared to 6-membered, most probably 5-membered is major. So they given 4 options. Okay, first option is like this. See here, I would like to write a 5-membered ring, 1, 2, 3, and this is 5-membered, and see this is a cyano is attached like this. Cyano is attached, and here we can write a double bond. Okay, so that is one. And here one more, we need to remove that particular organic part like this. So this is the one, and here there is a double bond. This is CH2 and this is carry a double bond. This is methyl, and here one more syn hydrogen, and a double bond is present over here. That is option C. Now you can also predict one more. This is 6-membered double bond. 1, 2, 3. Double bond like this, and here hydrogen is below, cyanide ion is completely above. And option T, you can also expect this one. Here this is double bond. Next, here I would like to write hydrogen, and here I would like to write cyano, opposite to the plane. Okay, here this is the one. Now this is a question. Okay, so what is the answer? What you will expect in this one? This is 2016 CSR question. Now always remember, it is a syn hydrogenation reaction. First what happens, see, this is a molecule which is going to be interact here. This is cyano, 1, 2, double bond, and here iodine is present, and here there is a methyl group is present. Now what I am using, palladium with 2 ligands, 0 catalyst, that will make a oxidative addition. So can I write like this? I am writing directly double bond, and this is cyano, 1, this is attaches to double bonded carbon. Now see, it is connected to palladium, and here attaches to, here iodine carbon attaches to palladium. So this is iodine, and here this is ligand, and here also ligand. This is oxidative addition. Okay, now what happens, this double bond is coordinated. Okay, then followed by insertion. Okay, after insertion what happens, see here, now this part will be added here. Okay, due to strain it will be accepted. Don't apply electron donating capacity on double bond. It may be a donating group or withdrawing group. Always give priority for 5-membered. Otherwise what happens is, due to crowding it will give a strain ring. Okay, remember here we need to create a 5-membered. So here see, this double bond is going to be connected over here like this, and what happens, see, this palladium is going to be coordinated over here. Okay, this palladium coordinated over here with 2 ligands. Okay, then followed by here this cyano is completely oriented above direction, hydrogen also going to be oriented above direction, means this organic part as well as palladium attack from one direction, so that these two, cyano as well as hydrogen, will be syn addition. Okay, so after getting this in addition, this is alpha and this is beta. This bond and hydrogen is completely removed. Once if it is removed, now you may get a 5-member ring here, double bond and this, and here you will get one more double bond and here hydrogen and one more is cyanide. So this is the answer. Most important question which is regularly asking in CSR examination, intramolecular Heck reaction. So similar kind of question which is also asked in CSR examination, which is in 2017. Okay, same kind of question, but they asked for 4 marks. 4 marks approximately interrelated to this particular area, that is intramolecular is very miscellaneous reaction. Okay, try to predict the answer. They ask like this: identify intermediate A and product B in following reaction. Okay, it is a complete Heck reaction. You just identify. Here they are given methyl and here there is a double bond is given. This is iodine and this is methyl. So what they ask? They ask what is the intermediate A. Okay, and they given palladium diacetate, then followed by triphenyl phosphine. Okay, so it is simply carried in presence of silver carbonate. So what is intermediate A and what is your product B in this reaction? So this is asked in 2017 CSR examination. Very important one. Okay, so what kind of addition is going to be expected? Remember, in Heck reaction, syn addition. Organic part addition, palladium addition will take syn, and double bond and opposite carbon substitution should be syn orientation will take place. They are given variable options. See, you know, directly I am giving the answer for this. When you take this particular molecule, definitely palladium is going to be inserted between organic part and iodine. So can I write like this: double bond, and here there is the attachment of palladium, then followed by iodine, and 2 ligands are going to be oriented like this. Oxidation state is changes. Now here followed by methyl group. So next go through insertion of the organic part as well as palladium around this double bond. So what happens? Actually this organic part as well as palladium undergoes syn addition. So remember, this point is very important one. We need to discriminate this part separately. So whenever if you discuss about Heck reaction, think about syn addition. So this organic part and palladium will be added here continuously. Okay. So here this is 1, 2, this is double bond, it will be added here. Okay. Now this palladium goes below direction, palladium with 2 ligands. Okay. Now here methyl is completely above direction and here hydrogen is also completely in above direction. Okay. And finally see, this is intermediate in this reaction. They will ask about what is the stereochemistry of this one as well as this one. Only this point is most important in this reaction. Okay. And finally see, you may get your product. Final answer is alpha and this is beta. Okay, so this palladium and this hydrogen is oriented in 2 different directions. Okay, it will be removed here. And finally see, there is a 5-membered and this is 6-membered double bond. It is thick line, hydrogen also thick line, here double bond, and this is the one. So this is your answer B. So in your examination they given 4 options. Okay, so that 4 options are, this is your option A. Option A they given 4 different products I will explain. Okay. So first is 5-membered they given, strategy in predicting the answers, that's what I am explaining. Okay, this is double bond and here hydrogen is they given. Okay, and here they given methyl, his stereochemistry they given opposite direction. Here they given palladium 2 ligands, like this they given option A. And what about option B? Option B is as usual, 5-membered ring is present. Now 6-membered ring double bond and here followed by, this is completely below and this is completely above. Like that 4 options they given. This is your option A. Then go for option B. Option B, in that A means your intermediate, what is A? A is equal to approximately same product, double bond, and this is 6-membered ring, and see here they given thick line and here also they given thick line. This is methyl. Okay, and here they given dotted line with palladium 2 ligands. Now what about option B here? Option B also almost all remain same. So here this hydrogen as well as methyl completely orienting in similar direction and double bond will be created like that. Okay. Now I given 2 options, remaining 2 options are remaining same, means they will give these 2 on same side. Okay, and these 2 are opposite side. Next year also they will give opposite side and they will give same answer. Okay. So like that 4 options they given in CSR examination, and in that you can predict based on this technique. Okay. After getting a 5-membered ring, due to strain intramolecular you will expect a 5-membered ring. So here this organic part and palladium part will be syn addition. This and this always you will get cis product here. That's why I am not writing remaining 2 options. Okay, these two hydrogen as well as alkyl will same in direction, and this will be opposite in direction. Hydrogen and palladium should be opposite. Why? Because this organic part palladium should be syn to each other. So that's why this and this will be trans. And finally this will lose hydrogen and you will get a double bond. Okay. So that is a strategy of predicting product in Heck reaction. Hopefully you will understand this concept. I think you enjoyed with this, and definitely you will crack your JRF examination, GATE examination, etc. Okay. So try to like, subscribe and put a comment in comment section, and your interested area about our class and whichever area you want about our regular classes, all will be uploaded regularly. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing us.